Good morning, grade 7. How are you doing today? Okay, guys, I'm really missing you. I think it's time that we all need to get back to school. I would like to sing you a song. Shut up, shut up, shut up. But now I'm sitting at home and I actually need a coffee break now, but let's go on. Okay, I hope you have your coffee ready. Okay, calculations using decimals. Addition. So we are adding today. Now, I'm going to read you this first example. I know you love these word sums, that's why we are starting with them. An environmental organization measures the carbon dioxide emissions of a factory over 3 hours. Okay, these are the emissions. In the first hour, the factory emits 2,416 kilograms of carbon dioxide. Okay, but now the important part for you. This is your important part. 2,416. In the second hour, it emits 23,107. And in the third, 7,4 kilograms. Now, I immediately check my units. Are they all the same? Kilogram, kilogram, kilogram. Yes, they are. Then I don't panic. Then I just go on. How many kilograms of carbon dioxide are emitted altogether? Round your answer off to the nearest kilogram. Now that's the part that you guys usually miss when you are doing the sums. You get so involved in doing the sum that you forget to round off at the end. It's very important that you read everything that they tell you. Okay, so when we add, we're going to do it like this. The first number they gave you, they said 2,416. Now, the most important part when I add decimals, you need to make sure that your commas line up. Write a little bit bigger. Shane, a little bit bigger for you. It's going to make it easier. When you add and you have a lot of these digits, write bigger and line up your commas. That's step number 1. Okay. So 2,416. Then I have 23,107. 23,107. And then I have 7,4. 7,4. Now, I have no zeros here, but I can add the zeros because I'm not going to change the value of the number. Then I take my ruler, everybody. Please use your ruler. Liam, hope you have a ruler. Aiden, do you have your ruler? Okay, now you add up. 6 plus 7, 13. 1, that's 2. 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9, comma. Remember the comma, most important part. 7 plus 3 plus 2, 12. 1 carries over. Pinky, I hope you are following. That gives me 32,923. And now the question is what? Cats, dogs, biscuits, what? Go back. Kilograms of what? Yes, I'm listening. Carbon dioxide. Now the last part of the question, round your answer off to the nearest kilogram. So if I round off to the nearest kilogram, I'm only talking about the whole numbers. So if I'm talking about the whole numbers, I have to look at the number that is right behind the decimal, and that's a 9. So if I round this off, I will round it to 33 kilograms. That's the rounded off number, kilograms of carbon dioxide. Okay, the next one. In the next example, they say, you've got to estimate 3,25 plus 6,53. So if I estimate, I'm doing what? I am guessing. But I'm not making a silly guess. I'm not saying that 3,25 plus 6,53 is going to give me 200. I've got to look at the numbers and I have to round. So when I look at 3,25, round 3,25 down to 3. It's going to round down to 3. And 6,53 will round up to 7 because 53 is already over the halfway mark. So if I'm going to guess the answer, 3 plus 7, I'm going to answer 10. So my guesstimate my estimate is going to be 10. So when I calculate the answer, when I add all of these up, when I have my decimals all lined up one beneath the other, I'm going to get to 9,78, and then I will round it in the end. I will round it to 10. Okay, let's see what they ask. Now, in the book, you are going to complete activity 7.4 for me. Nothing strange here. You add it up. The only thing that could be a problem for you will be number F. Here I have 26. The thing that you need to remember, 26 is exactly the same as 26, 0, and write it out like that. Let me show you this. 26 Rand is exactly the same as 26, 0, because that means I've got 26 Rand and no cents. So if they ask you to add up random numbers like 17,112 plus 26 plus 3,72, this is the example in the book, number 1F, I'll write them one beneath the other. There's 17,112. Space your numbers out. Makes it easier. 26. Remember that's 26 whole numbers. So the 26 will be on this side. 0, 0, because the zeros make no difference. Then 3, so the 3 will be right next to the comma. 7, 2. I can just go and add that 0. It's going to make no difference to the answer. So if I add that up, you know how to add. Let me just get my ruler. Do this for you quickly. That's 2, 3, 8. That's 10, 16, 1, 4. 46, 832. Okay, the last part, they show you this picture. Let me line this book up a bit. There we go. Okay. They show you this picture and they say this advert was in the newspaper. If you had 250 Rand, which 3 items would you buy? Then you can decide. Okay, I'm going to buy a jean for 99 Rand 99 cents, a belt for 45 Rand and 35 cents, and a shirt for 79,99 cents. Now, how much would you pay for your 3 items? You only have 250 Rand, so you need to make sure that whatever you buy, that it's not going to exceed 250 Rand. Okay, because you only have 250 Rand. So you need to guess, you need to make a estimation of what these will cost. So in your head, you look at the jean, 99.9, you say 100 Rand plus 45 Rand plus 80 Rand, and then you do a quick sum in your head and you say, okay, yes, I'm going to have enough money for that, and then you can add it up. Number C, they say, round off each of the 6 items to the nearest Rand and find the total sum of this estimate. Remember, what does the word sum mean? We spoke about this at length in class. The difference between the word sum, you add. Product, it's a multiplication. Quotient, that's when we divide. And the difference, then we are talking about a minus, subtraction. Okay, so you've got to round all of these to the nearest one whole number, and then you're going to add it. That asks for the sum. Find the actual cost of all 6 items. So you've got to add all 6 items, the real cost, as they are written down. 99,99 plus 45,35 plus 79,99. Okay, guys, it's straightforward. You've got 20 minutes to complete this. Try not to do it in more than 30 minutes. You've got to work fast and you need to work accurately, okay? And line up the commas. Okay, have a lovely day. See you again. Bye.